Welcome back to Trending Cars. Today we are diving into something truly out of the ordinary, the 2026 McLaren F1 Motorhome. Yes, you heard it right. The legendary McLaren brand, known worldwide for its Formula One pedigree and breathtaking supercars, has entered the luxury motorhome segment, and what they've created is nothing short of revolutionary. This isn't just a mobile home. It's a performance machine on wheels that fuses motorsport technology with high-end living. Let's start with performance. The 2026 McLaren F1 Motorhome is built on a lightweight carbon fiber reinforced chassis, giving it the kind of stiffness and agility you'd never expect from a vehicle of this size. Powering this beast is a hybrid twin-turbo V8 engine combined with an electric drive unit, producing a combined output of 950 horsepower. That's supercar-level power, propelling this motorhome from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just under 4.2 seconds. Unheard of for anything in this category, with an electronically limited top speed of 250 kilometers per hour. McLaren has ensured this motorhome isn't just about luxury. It's about speed, control, and thrilling performance on the open road. The handling is equally impressive. Adaptive air suspension and carbon ceramic brakes ensure it glides smoothly on highways, but can stop on a dime. Torque vectoring and rear-wheel steering give the driver surprising agility, allowing tight turns and precise maneuvering despite its size. And thanks to McLaren's advanced traction control and driving modes, it adapts seamlessly to changing road conditions, making it as fun to drive as it is functional. Now let's talk about the interior. Step inside, and you're immediately wrapped in a world of opulence and futuristic design. The cabin is a mix of Alcantara, fine leather, and exposed carbon fiber, ambient lighting, noise cancellation technology, and an AI-powered climate control system keep passengers comfortable no matter the environment. The driver cockpit resembles that of a supercar, with a yoke-style steering wheel, multiple digital displays, and real-time telemetry feeds for those who want to monitor performance stats even while cruising. As for living amenities, the McLaren F1 Motorhome includes a smart modular layout. There's a queen-sized retractable bed, a fully equipped kitchen with induction cooking, a compact dishwasher, and even a walk-in wet bath with rainfall shower. The roof expands into a sky lounge with solar panels and a retractable canopy. For entertainment, you get a 77-inch OLED screen, integrated 5G, and surround sound by Bang & Olufsen. Now on to the price. The 2026 McLaren F1 Motorhome starts at around $2.8 million, depending on customization. Yes, it's a high number, but considering the performance, technology, and prestige McLaren brings, it's not surprising. This motorhome is not designed for mass market. It's for collectors, luxury adventurers, and automotive enthusiasts who want to experience the world without sacrificing speed or style. In conclusion, McLaren has once again proven that they can take performance, design, and exclusivity to a whole new level. The 2026 F1 Motorhome is not just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle experience that redefines what's possible on the road.